Central Board of Secondary Education has been asked by the Ministry of Human Resource Development to reduce the syllabus for classes 9 to 12 by 30%. The decision has been taken after asking for suggestions from stakeholders on the same. HRD Minister had informed over Twitter that he received over 1,500 suggestions from different stakeholders. China will complete the withdrawal of its troops by 2 kilometers in the contested hot springs area of eastern Ladakh by the end of today. The Chinese have also withdrawn 2 kilometers to their side of the line of actual control in Galwan. The process of withdrawal in Gogra near hot springs will be completed tomorrow. India has also withdrawn an equal distance in all three areas, and there is a buffer zone between the soldiers of both sides. Further decisions on patrolling will be taken during another round of military talks. The former CEO of the Guru Raghavendra Bank, which has its headquarters in South Bengaluru, was found dead on Monday evening outside his home in the city. Police have not yet confirmed the cause of death of M. Vasudev Maiya. The bank had hit the headlines in January when the RBI began an investigation into financial irregularities amounting to over Rs 1,400 crores. Patna Medical College has issued an order to deploy 6 doctors, 3 nurses and a ventilator at the official residence of Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar after Secretary of the Health Department directed the hospital to do so as a precautionary measure against COVID-19. These measures are being taken after the test reports of Nitish's niece came positive for COVID-19. Sanjay Leela Bhansali recorded his statement with the police yesterday for 3 hours in connection with the death of Sushant Singh Rajput, who was found dead in his apartment in Mumbai's Bandra on June 14th. Bhansali said he replaced Sushant in 4 films because he had other commitments. The police are inquiring into the actor's contracts with production houses and also projects that were shelved.